Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect Figma to Lovable. Hey guys, welcome back. So the first thing that you want to do is to simply go ahead and install Builder.io into your Figma structure. So I'm inside the official article on how you can do this perfectly without any errors. So the first thing that you want to do is to simply structure your Figma design. For smoothing exporting, your Figma file needs to be well organized, and you have the complete instruction on how you can go ahead and prepare it. From there, you can just go ahead and navigate through your Figma file. In my case, I'm going to be using this file right here. Simply inside, you then want to navigate through plugins, click on manage plugins, and from here you simply want to search for Builder.io. Now the first thing that we want to do is to simply extract our Figma to be able to run it to Lovable. So from here you just want to click on the run button, and right after you will then have the ability to choose the file or export the file that you want onto Lovable. So just go ahead and click on a file, click on Smart Export, and from here you then want to go ahead and click on the Open Builder button. Now you will be able to also go ahead and see the Open to Lovable option right here, but if not, you just want to go ahead and sign into a Builder.io account, and from there you will be able to go ahead and integrate it with your Lovable account. So if you're having any problems, you can just go ahead and navigate through their official article to go ahead and solve the issues that you are currently having. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.